Hi guys, today I'm reviewing the new Kuvings Power Blender. Kuvings sent me the sample so I can tell you what I think of it. The unit is 20 inches tall, 8.5 inches wide, and 9.5 inches deep. It weighs 9.5 pounds. The cord length is about 50 inches. Comes with a user guide and a recipe book with recipes for smoothies, lemonades and slushies, almond milk, dressings, soups, baby food, and dessert. A tamper is included, which is handy when you make things like almond butter, a spatula, a measuring cup that holds 8 ounces or 250 milliliters. The pitcher is BPA free and holds a maximum of 55 ounces. There are markings in ounces and milliliters. You can grind dry ingredients like coffee beans and rice in the container. Just make sure the container is very dry. The maximum capacity for grinding is 17 ounces, while it's 55 ounces for blending. The pitcher simply sits on the base, there's no rotating. Match the arrow on the pitcher to the arrow on the base. The container comes with a lid and a cap. The cap is removable when you want to add more ingredients to the blender. Turn the cap to lock, there's a picture here, and there's a picture to unlock. After you plug in the machine, press the on-off button on the side of the base. The base has suction feet. Press the dial to power the unit on. It'll light up and turn blue. You can turn the wheel for manual blending, low to high, from a speed of 1 to 10. There's a pulse button, an automatic smoothie and ultra blend button. The smoothie button is for smoothies and milkshakes, and the ultra blend button is for green drinks. The pulse button is for quick stirring. You just press and hold it for 2 seconds, and it runs for 20 seconds. Use the pulse button for things like salsa, hummus, and baby food. To turn the unit off at any point, just press the middle of the dial. When you're blending anything, the order of ingredients is liquid first, then soft ingredients, hard ingredients, and ice would be last. I'll make a smoothie with some carrots, apples, ginger, and kale. Got an apple cut up, carrot, piece of ginger, and I'll squeeze some lemon juice. Got some torn up kale leaves, not the stems, just the leaves. About a cup. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. Some coconut water. The coconut water is from a fresh coconut I just broke. If you want to see a video on how to break a coconut easily, I'll put a link down below. Put the lid on. The unit's plugged in. Turn the on button on the side of the base. Press the middle of the dial. And I'll use the Ultra Blend button. The cycle ends automatically. That took about 1 minute. Take the lid off and pour out the juice. I'll taste it. It did a good job of breaking down the kale, the carrots, the ginger. It's a good texture. There are no chunks. Everything was blended smoothly and thoroughly. Next we'll make a smoothie with red beets, strawberries, frozen banana, and milk. I've cut up 1 medium red beet, 2 cups of fresh strawberries. Put that in first. 1 frozen banana. Put the beets in, and a cup of milk. Put the lid on. I'll use the smoothie button in the middle. The cycle ends and it turns off automatically. The smoothie is a gorgeous dark pink color. The container simply lifts off the base, straight up. Looks very smooth and creamy. I'll taste it. It's very tasty. The beets are broken down, the strawberries are broken down. It's a nice consistency. There are no unblended pieces. Everything is smooth. This recipe is from the recipe book that was included and really is a great combination to try out. To clean, fill the container half full with warm water and add a drop of dish soap. Put the lid on and run the blender on manual speed for about 20 seconds. Then you can rinse the container and dry. It's not dishwasher safe. Next, I'll make a smoothie with frozen pineapple, frozen banana, a little bit of honey, and milk. This is a perfect smoothie for kids. There's lots of vitamin C, and they probably won't drink the vegetable smoothies. I'll use the dial and turn the speed up manually. Put the bananas and pineapple in. Milk. If you make the smoothie with a small amount of milk, it'll be very thick, more like dessert, or you can use more milk and make it the consistency of a regular smoothie. A little bit of honey. Put the lid on. Press the button again to turn it on. You can see how thick and creamy it is. Like I said, you can even use less milk to get it more of a dessert consistency. Taste it. It tastes like a banana pineapple soft serve. It's really good. And it's perfectly smooth. So you can easily control the speed with the dial. Really quick and healthy drink to make for kids when they come home from school. Now I'll make hummus using the pulse button. To the blender, I'll add lemon juice, some tahini, a clove of garlic, pulse that. Then add olive oil, some salt, chickpeas, and add water a little bit at a time until everything is smooth. When you add water, you can just take the cap off the lid and stream the water in. Lemon juice, garlic, tahini, pulse a few times. Add the chickpeas, olive oil, salt, I'll add some water a little bit at a time. If you hold the pulse button for a few seconds, it'll automatically pulse for 20 seconds. It's smooth and creamy. Little paprika, olive oil, and you have a really healthy snack. This is another wonderful and quick snack you can make after school for kids or after work. And of course you can make a bigger batch of this hummus and pack it along with some pita chips for school or work. If you want to try out this Kuvings Power Blender, I'll put a link in the description below. I like that the blender is not too heavy to move around, it looks good, easy to use, and it has the 2 automatic cycles, the smoothie and the ultra blend, and that's really all you need for a blender. The pulse button is very useful for making dips and salsas. As always, I hope you found this review useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews of products you use every day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.